I've kept pigeons since about 1962. There's a certain standard between all the different breeds. For instance, these are homers. And what you judge on a pigeon of this type is its vitality, its strength for long-distance flying. It's pretty obvious, isn't it? But you look at the configuration of the bird, the shape of its head and the beak, where it's positioned, if the eyes are the right colour and all that, at the actual plumage, the general condition of the bird, and its stance. Well, this is a young cock, and these are two hens. Now the hens are much more ladylike, if you know what I mean. They're more slender and everything, whereas the cock has got more bulk in it. The cock is broader in the breast and it's got flight power, you know. You look at the shape of the head, how the beak is situated, and whether they're pinched or they've got a full sort of skull on them. And these are monkeys. They're a continental breed, and they're totally different. They're what we call a fancy breed, whereas these are working breeds, if you understand the configuration. And the fancy guys have got a little tuft on the back of their head. See, these are them. They're the continental birds. And see them shaking their heads as part of their allurement, you know. Now I've got to find out which is the best in show, which is the next best in show. That's the leading bird in this group. So that's up against the leading bird in the flyers. So you've got to see, is he configuration better than the flying bee? I'll give it to that fellow there, this one, and put their homer as the next best.